Welcome to the world of possibilities. Friends, you are well know about Bitcoin and along with it, Ethereum coins are growing very fast in market, and today we are discussing about a unique and wonderful concept which is fully Ethereum coin based, and in this concept you can earn millions of Ethereum coins. Yes my friends, today we are discussing about a brand new opportunity named as Forsage, from where you can achieve your all goals with financial security. And my friends, this is one of the best legal, reliable and profitable plan in the world. It is one of the best crowdfunding plan in small contract which is 100% decentralized system. Now we discuss about step by step why this is unique and best platform. So friends, first we discuss about the company's legality. So this system has all legal documents that you can check on simply by logging to company's website www.forsage.io. And my friends, Forsage is smart contract based plan which works on blockchain technology, means person to person, and there will be no risk. It means it will be fully secure because there is no involvement of third person and your income comes directly into your trust wallet. So friends, let's discuss about its wonderful income. Yes my friends, you can start this wonderful concept with just 0.05 Ethereum, whose approx value in INR will be 1600 to 1700 rupees, and after joining you got entry into two slots, that is Forsage X3 and Forsage X4. Both the slots are fully different, so let's discuss in detail. Yes my friends, first slot is Forsage X3. Whenever you joined in Forsage with 0.05 Ethereum, you got entry into this slot, and all partners in this slot of the Forsage X3 program are your personally referral partners. When you invite partners, they takes place under you. Yes my friends, it is fully decentralized system. The distribution of payments when filling out the matrix automatically occur as follows. So the first referral partner takes a place under you and 100% payout goes to your personal wallet, and the second referral partner takes place below you. Payment is also instantly comes to your personal wallet. And listen my friends, when you join the third direct person, you again receive 100% income but in the form of free invest. Yes friends, it means 100% income of third direct will goes to your upline and your ID will be. Simply in Forsage X3, you direct 3 persons and income of 2 direct will comes in your wallet, and third direct referral income goes to your upline and your ID will be upgraded, and this cycle will continue again and again, so you can earn unlimited income in this X3 slot. Yes my friends, let's discuss about Forsage X4 income. So in Forsage X4 program, here an overflow system is organized from above and from below. We are building a team together. Friends, you can watch on slide. In Forsage X4 program, partners who take 2 places below you in the first line are the 2 places in the second line of the higher A. 100% payment goes to the wallet of your higher partner. You also receive income from the second line 100% from 4 people. Out of these, 3 payments go instantly to your wallet and last payout in the closing slot, and it also makes a reinvest, means you buying the same slot again and the payment of 100% is transferred to your higher partner. Yes my friends, it simply means the income of first and second ID in your first level downline goes to your upline, and in second level, third, fourth and fifth person's ID income goes instantly to your trust wallet, and with 6 IDs income, your ID will be upgraded again for this slot and income is transferred to your higher partner. So friends, you can do unlimited earning with this concept. Yes my friends, now we discuss about upgradation. So you have to do continue upgradation to earn more and more Ethereums, and my friends, here company recommended you some option where your ID doesn't overflow and you can earn unlimited income. So friends, here in Forsage X3 there are different slots, and in the same process there are different slots in Forsage X4 available for you, like 0.025 Ethereum, 0.05 Ethereum, 0.1 Ethereum. Its total amount will be 0.175 Ethereum, and same in Forsage X4 slot, 0.025 Ethereum, 0.05 Ethereum and 0.1 Ethereum. Its total amount will be again 0.175 Ethereum, and totally when you enter with 0.35 Ethereum, you can earn superb income which is fully secure. So yes my friends, let's discuss about profit from Forsage. You can watch the slide in front of your screen in which both the slots profits are available. So friends, when you start this concept, you got entry into both slots, and in Forsage X3, which is up to 12 levels, and it starts from 0.025 Ethereum and in last with 51.2 Ethereum. And if we discuss about total earning from this slot, so you can earn 613.35 Ethereum income from this slot, and if we convert this amount into dollars, so it will be $1,53,338 income, which is amazing income. And if we talk about the Forsage X4 income, so from this slot you can earn totally 817.8 Ethereum, and it will be more than $2 lakh income, and in Indian currency it will be more than crore. So yes my friends, it is fully secure and no risk system from which you can earn millions of dollars income. So my dear friends, join fast and fast with this concept, and if you have any query about this concept, how to registration, how to activate ID, so simply call on the number shared in front of your screen, which is number 1 company top promoter. So okay friends, let's meet in the next video. Till that, stay safe and stay healthy.